Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Ford Mustang. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can of course see that it is a two-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the vehicle's boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. We've got two tailpipes, as you can see, and plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down either or both of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 21,816. We have our trip computer above that. You can change information displayed here using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. Buttons in question are just here. Below that, we have our cruise control. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. And then into the centre, the main stereo itself. So it's all touchscreen. You can pair your phone in that top left-hand corner. You can access your satellite navigation in the top right-hand corner, and as you can see, really nice clear colour display once it's on there, and you can zoom in and out of that and move around the screen as you wish, as well of course as putting in destinations. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, we have our audio options: AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input as well. Then below that, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and an SD memory card input. So again, loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have our dual zone climate control menu. So we do have physical controls to this, which I will come to in just a moment. And as you can see, a full color reversing camera as well. Main volume for your stereo is here, and then the physical controls for your climate control. So you can increase the driver and passenger tempo, decrease it as well, of course. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. Change the direction that you'd like the air distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, air conditioning's off, on again, or you can hit auto. The car, which you can hear it doing in the background, will take full control for you of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have an air conditioned seat for the driver and passenger with 3 different air conditioning settings, and exactly the same but for heating, again for the driver and passenger. You can change the driving setup of the car, the intensity of the steering. You can turn your traction control on or off. We have our hazard warning lights. This is where you start and stop the engine itself. And then we have the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, and back here 2 cup holders as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So the V5 registration document, spare key in this envelope, so 2 keys in total, of course, and then the service book for the car. Pre-delivery inspection done in 2017, and then we have stamps, as you can see, for 2018, 19, 20, 20 again, 21, 23, all with Ford, and then over the page, 24 and 24 again. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.